Welcome to 10th Standard Social Science Midterm Examination Paper with Answer or Summative Assessment 1. Now let us see the types of questions. MCQ type questions 8, 1 mark question 8, 2 mark questions 8 questions are there, each carries 2 marks, total 16 marks. 3 mark questions 9 questions are there, each carries 3 marks, total 27 marks. 4 mark questions 4 questions are there, each carries 4 marks, total 16 marks. 1 map question, it carries 5 marks, total 38 questions, 80 marks. In social science we have 39 lessons for midterm examination. 20 lessons have been selected. From history 5 lessons, political science 3 lessons, sociology 2 lessons, geography 6 lessons, economics 2 lessons, business studies 2 lessons. That means 50% of the portions will be there for your midterm examination. Now let us see the questions and answers. 4 choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. First one, the real founder of Portuguese Empire in India was Sir Thomas Roe, Alfonso de Albuquerque, Francisco de Almeida, Dupleix. Correct answer is option B, Alfonso de Albuquerque. The last Peshwa of the Marathas was Narayana Rao, Bajirao II, Bajirao I, Madhava Rao. Correct answer is option B, Bajirao II. Third one, the greater Himalayas are also called Himadri, the Shivalik outer Himalaya, Himachal. Correct answer is option A, Himadri. Institutions like Lokapal and Lokayukta have been set up to bring down communalism, unemployment, corruption, terrorism. Correct answer is option C, corruption. Untouchability is a heinous expression of caste system and it is the hatefulest expression of caste, was said by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Swami Vivekananda, Sri Narayana Guru, Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Sixth one, the book Footloosers studies about total migration, organized sector migration, circular migration. Correct answer is option D, circular migration. Seventh one, the average income of each individual in the country is called per capita income, national income, international income, annual income. Correct answer is option A, per capita income. Eighth one, the father of the white revolution is Dhirubhai Ambani, Verghese Kurian, Azim Premji, Ekta Kapoor. Correct answer is option B, Verghese Kurian. These are 8 MCQ type questions. Now let's move to second main. Answer the following questions in a sentence each. Who had gained monopoly over the trade in Asian countries? Arab merchants. When was BRICS group of nations established? 2015. Which is the northernmost tip of India? The northernmost tip of India is Indira Col. In which bank account amount can be deposited or withdrawn any number of times in a day? Correct answer is current account. Why did Rajaram Mohan Rai publish a journal named Samvada Kaumudi in Bengali language? Correct answer is Rajaram Mohan Rai tried to develop rationality among the common people through journalism. That's why he published a journal named Samvada Kaumudi in Bengali language. What is the importance of Article 46? Article 46 clearly expresses that it is the duty of the government to support the education interest of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Black soil is also known as black cotton soil. Why? Because they are best suited for cotton cultivation. Per capita income is not the true indicator of development. Why? Per capita income does not consider the distribution of income among people as well as the availability of basic amenities like food, shelter, education, health, or other similar social factors. That's why per capita income is not the true indicator of development. Let's move to third main. Answer the following questions in 4 sentences each. 8 questions are there which carries 2 marks, total 16 marks. Among these 8 questions, 2 option question will also be there. 17. State the reasons of Plassey War, misuse of dastaks, mending of the fort without permission, Black Room tragedy. What are the features of social stratification? Social stratification is social in nature. Social stratification is universal. Social stratification is ancient. Social stratification exists in different way. Question number or give examples for labor with pay. Labor in small business and roadside business, work in factories, work in school as assistant teachers, building work, vehicle repair, garages, agricultural farm works. Question number 19. What are the characteristics of laterite soils? These soils are formed in tropical areas under the conditions of high temperature and rainfall. These soils are cover an area of 2.48 lakh square kilometer. They are leached soils, not fertile, and are of limited use for agriculture. Crops like cashew, rubber, tea, coffee, paddy can be grown in this laterite soil. Question number 20. What are the aims of Prarthana Samaj? Prarthana Samaj was founded by Dr. Atmaram Panduranga at Bombay with the aim of finding solutions to various problems faced by women and lower caste groups. This association argued that the interpretation of Hinduism is needed in the light of modern Western thinking. It advocated that reformation should not be a wish but should be implemented in reality. Many programs like education for women, rehabilitation of poor people were undertaken by the Prarthana Samaj. These are the aims of Prarthana Samaj. Question number 21. India has been considered as one of the major countries of the world. Why? Huge population, natural resources, military, intellectual and industrialized capacities. Due to all these reasons, India has been considered as one of the major countries of the world. 20. Or explain the similarities between India and Pakistan. Both share common cultural and economic ties, and the mutual exchanges in both the fields have continued. The mutual trade relationships have continued ever since independence. Similarly, both have responded to each other's needs during emergency and natural calamities. Question number 22. Which are the important seasons of India? The important seasons of India are the winter season, the summer season, the rainy season, the retreating monsoon season. Question number 23. What are the essential activities for rural development? Development of human resources, land reforms, development of the productive resources of each locality, infrastructure development, specific programs of alleviation of poverty. These are the essential activities for rural development. Write a note on Narayan Murthy. He is one of the founders of Infosys Technologies Limited in 1999. Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed on Nasdaq. In 2017, the company had employed over 2 lakh people and had a turnover of $10 billion. Murthy has always believed that honesty, transparency, and moral integrity are the key factors for the success. Let's move to fourth main. Answer the following questions in 6 sentences each. Total 9 questions. Each carries 3 marks. Total 27 marks. Question number 25. What were the effects of British land taxes? The effects of British land taxes were a new class of zamindars who exploited the farmers was created. The farmers who were subjected to the exploitation of the zamindars became landless slowly. Land became a commodity. Loan could be raised by mortgaging the lands. Many zamindars also had to mortgage their lands in order to pay the land taxes. The agriculture sector became commercialized and had to grow raw materials needed by industries back in England. The moneylenders became strong. Or explain the rebellion of Bedas of Halagali. Halagali is a small village of Mudul Taluk of Belgaum district. In 1857, Common Era, the British banned the usage of weapons. The Bedas, who always kept guns as part of customs, they were good hunters. They rebelled against the British when they were asked to surrender their firearms. The Bedas of Manturu, Badoni, Alagundi, and others joined Halagali Bedas. The British army entered Halagali village to suppress the rebellion. They suppressed the Bedas in an inhuman way. All the rebels were hanged till death. This is all about the rebellion of Bedas of Halagali. Question number 26. Mention the factors which influenced and shaped India's foreign policy. The factors which influenced and shaped Indian foreign policy are national interests, geographical interests, political situation, economic interest, military issues, public opinion, international situation. '27. What are the differences between organized and unorganized workers? The differences between organized and unorganized workers are: organized sector is controlled as per the law of the government and provided fixed wages facilities within the framework of law is called organized sector. The unorganized sector of work is that sector where legal provisions do not completely governed. This sector is guided by Minimum Wages Act, Special Allowances Act, Provident Fund Act, and many other acts in support of laborers. Here, the Minimum Wages Act in unorganized sector usually says below the mandatory pay fixed by the government. There is a need for registration, there is no need for registration. This sector follows the legal provisions of the government. This sector does not follow the legal provision of the government. It is also mandatory for them to pay taxes. There are no tax provisions here. School, hospital, industries, government related services, commercial banks, life insurance companies, military and others belongs to this sector. Vehicle repair, selling of goods like vegetables, fish on head, puncture repairs and other belong to this sector. There is fixed time or duration for this work. There is no fixed time or duration for this work. These are the differences between organized and unorganized workers. Question number 20. What are the causes for the destruction of forests? The expansion of agricultural land, construction of roads and railway, irrigation projects, industrialization, urbanization, overgrazing, forest fires, etc. These are the main causes for the destruction of forests. Or explain the objectives of multipurpose river valley projects. The objectives of multipurpose river valley projects are to provide water for irrigation, to control the floods, to generate hydroelectricity, to prevent soil erosion, to develop inland waterways and fishing, to provide recreation facilities, to provide water for domestic purpose and industries, to reclaim land for agriculture. Examine the causes for low HDI of India. Lack of food, lack of shelter, lack of clothing, lack of education, lack of health, lack of social security, lack of clean water, impure air, polluted environment. These are the causes for low HDI of India. List out the characteristics relating to bank transactions. Dealing with money, individual or firm or company, acceptance of deposits, lending loans, payment and withdrawal, agency and utility services, profit and service orientation, ever increasing functions, connecting link, banking business, name identity. These are the characteristics relating to bank transactions. 31. What were the reformation activities of Annie Besant? The reformation activities of Annie Besant were: she advocated that Indian culture is far more superior to the Western culture, which is based on materialism. She also did a comparative study of Hinduism and Buddhism. Translating Bhagavad Gita to English is one of the major achievements of her. She was called Shweta Saraswati. She wanted education for all. She opened schools. She started Central Hindu College, Central Hindu Banaras College. She started two periodicals, New India and Commonweal, to initiate discussion on current problems and social issues. She started Home Rule League. Question number 32. Explain the reasons that resulted in the discovery of new sea route to India. In 1453, the Ottoman Turks captured the city of Constantinople. As a result, all the trade routes connecting the city of Constantinople came under the control of Turks. The Turks started levying too many taxes on the goods passing through these routes. As a result, trade became unprofitable. Meanwhile, Spain and Portugal were attempting to break the monopoly of Italian traders. They started encouraging enterprising sailors to find a new sea route to India. The invention of compass, astrolabes, and gunpowder provided further impetus to this venture. These are the reasons that resulted in the discovery of new sea route to India. Question number 33, mention the measures adopted for conserving soil. Afforestation and reforestation, controlled overgrazing, counter farming, construction of check dams, counter bunding, gully control, and bench terracing. These are the measures which can be adopted for conservation of soil. Fifth main, answer the following questions in 8 sentences each. Explain the conditions of subsidiary alliance. The conditions of subsidiary alliance are: the Indian king had to keep the British army in his kingdom. The concerned state had to bear the expenses of the army and the wages of soldiers and also had to give certain revenue lands as well. The king has to have a British resident in his court. The king could not appoint any other European without the permission of the British. In order to enter any agreement or pact with any Indian government, the permission of the Governor General was mandatory. In return of all these services, the company would offer protection to the state from any internal or external aggression. Or explain the reasons for the Battle of Buxar. Mir Qasim, in the beginning, he remained loyal to the company. He paid 2 lakh pounds to the company and gave away few places to it. Shortly, he declared himself as an independent king. After verifying the misuse of dastaks, he declared that the business is duty free in Bengal. As a result, the Indians competed against the British in all spheres of business. As a result, the British trade suffered considerably. This was enough for the British to oppose the Nawab. They brought in Mir Jafar again and dethroned Mir Qasim. As Mir Qasim knew about the cunningness of the British, he went for an organized war against them. These were the reasons for the Battle of Buxar. Question number 35, what are your suggestions to improve the status of women? The government has started women and child development. In order to develop women's education and status, through various measures taken, the government seeks to improve the status, health, and education of the women. Many programs have been implemented to curb child marriage system, Dowry Prohibition Act, compulsory education are implemented. The government of Karnataka has implemented Stri Shakti program. Women commissions have been established at national and state level to address the various issues of women. Attempts are made to provide reservation at state and national legislature bodies. Women reservation has already been provided at local bodies. Women reservation is also provided in government recruitments. These are the suggestions to improve the status of women. 36. Mention the measures for the conservation of forests. Control of deforestation, restriction on grazing, control of forest fires, prevention of encroachment on forests, control of forest insects and diseases, controlling illegal cutting of trees, scientific cutting of trees, legislation to check deforestation, encourage afforestation. These are the measures for the conservation of forests. 37. Explain the method adopted by Rayana to fight against the British. Rayana was a brave soldier. He fought for the independence of Kittur and felt it was his duty to liberate his motherland. He fought with Rani Chennamma and was imprisoned along with her. He developed a sense of nationalism and went on organizing an army. He went on organizing secret meetings at sensitive geographical locations. He aimed at looting the treasury and taluk offices of the British. He had an army of 500 men. He became furious with the villagers who were assisting the British army. The British devised a cunning strategy to capture Rayanna. Rayanna was cunningly captured and brought down to Dharwad. He was declared as an offender and was hanged till death. These are the methods adopted by Rayanna to fight against the British. Sixth main, question number 38. Draw an outline map of India and mark the following in it. 1 for map drawing, 4 for location of places. Total 5 marks. Tropic of Cancer, Indira Point, River Narmada, Hirakud. First one, A, the Tropic of Cancer. B, Indira Point. C, River Narmada. D, Hirakud.